Hi, so again, we are talking about the markets today, and markets are actually looking to now expand its trading range. We're talking about yesterday, perhaps actually the trading range is set to widen, set to expand for the next few sessions. So again, 10,500 and 10,000, these could be the two next levels which the traders would be watching out for. So now there are two points here. Number one is where basically the call writing is happening. That is around 10,500, 700. The IV is actually really looking good there for writing. So with that context, I would say that because the financials are doing really well, on the other side, the IT is providing some support, but the major support is going to come from auto sector, oil and gas, and banks, or financial broadly, non-banks also. So all these three sectors, they basically are going to lend the support to the markets, and I would expect that the markets are going to do well over the next few sessions. Perhaps 10,500 is not that far. Now the next question is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty so far is looking really good in terms of we have scaled new highs, and I won't be surprised if again the momentum continues for the next 2 or 3 sessions. RBI policy would be the next trigger. What sort of policy comes, what sort of reaction comes, we're going to watch out for. But the data right now in terms of delivery volumes, in terms of tradings, future long positions, all that is looking in favor for banks. The second point is mid caps are doing really good, and I would think that broadly the breadth or the buying momentum has shifted to mid caps from large caps. So again, in terms of mid caps, tea stocks, jewelry stocks, then also take a look at some of the metal names in the large caps also. So tea jewelry should be continuing to do well. The tea prices are moving up. In jewelry, gold prices they moved higher. So again, that should be doing good. And the third would be that the metals again Vedanta, Hindalco, the prices they actually maintain the current level. So again, margin should be really good. Then again, some two three things more. You should be actually watching out for the way Reliance Industries actually shapes up. So HPCL, ONGC, and Reliance Industries, they all actually looking really good. Perhaps that momentum could continue. Now, lastly, we have also seen good long additions happening in the PTC and power grid space. Power grid as a result today. So perhaps traders are anticipating that yes, there could be good news, and also if the results are more or less in line or more or less above estimates, the stock could continue to do well. Over the last few months, the stock actually has seen good attraction from the institutional investors. Lastly, also PC Jewelers has a result today, and I was talking about jewelry, so that one stock you should be eyeing for. And then again, Titan also saw good long addition in addition to PC Jewelers. And lastly, basically, PSU banks, that pocket seems to be attracting good momentum. And whatever we talk about, that yes, all PSU banks are not that good, or basically the rally actually starts and then stops. But so far, the rally is actually really continuing, and SBI is actually gaining strength to strength. So, with that context, strategize your market trades today. Overall, market is looking really good. So, have a good profitable trading day.